If you want to set a custom keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then you can use, for example, Gboard, which is another keyboard that we can download from the Play Store completely for free. So we're gonna go to search and we're gonna search for Gboard. And this is the keyboard that we are looking for. So let's install it and let's wait for the keyboard to be installed on our phone. Once it is ready, press open. First we need to enable in settings, so tap on this switcher for Gboard and press OK. Then we're gonna go back and press select input method, so we choose Gboard as the main keyboard and press done. Immediately after that you will go to the settings of this Gboard, so you want to go to theme and then we can choose any of these themes that you like. So for example I'm gonna choose this one over here, and as you can see we have our keyboard here. We can also show or hide key borders and we can press apply. But if you want to create your own keyboard theme, then we can press this plus button here. You can choose the photo that we wish to use as the background for our keyboard. We can adjust it a little bit and then press next. We can change the brightness as well, and then we can press done. There we go. Turn on or off key borders as you wish and then press apply. And that's pretty much it. Now as you can see, we have a new keyboard theme. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!